Welcome back to,
Welcome to a spooky episode of Sensory Shorties.
or should that be
Spooky Shorties.
Sensory spookies?
Boo? Happy Halloween. I'm in a costume.
Wow!
I did my best to find whatever scary things I could find in my apartment. Unfortunately, I didn't have anything to represent ants or heights, but I did find other scary things like black cats and a scary mug a friend gave me recently, and ghost-type Pokemon, dried flowers, E. coli. Probably the most logical fear out of the bunch here. And so, I bought this bag of random candy from a Japanese market, and to celebrate candy, Halloween candy, I've dressed up, and it's time to taste some stuff. Since I'm not going trick-or-treating, this is my little trick-or-treat gift to myself. And this costume's pretty warm with all the lights on me. Alright, so let's see what we have. So we have a triangle-shaped grape gummy. We have what looks like a dressed-up squirrel and a rabbit. They look kind of like Altoids in there. So that's another one. We have a very spooky, unidentified round candy. It's hard to see because it's green and I'm wearing green. There we go. Very scary. We have a cacao cream with a spooky pumpkin. Something I can't read at all. And I don't have that translator app on my phone. More sticks. More green. More squirrels. More squirrels. More squirrels. And more things I can't read. And a cute little origami key. You know, maybe I shouldn't have worn the green outfit. I didn't realize everything was going to be green today. Green's not a Halloween color. Why is it the pumpkin orange? It's not like oranges, I think, where the orange color's a new mutation. You know, new, relatively new. Or carrots. I actually don't know about pumpkins, but pumpkins are usually orange, right? Even like back in the day? Whatever. Future me will comment on that. So I guess I'll try the biggest thing first. I also really need to... It's hard to see in this thing. I hope I don't look stupid. Oh no. I do look stupid. So let's try the grape gummy. The ingredients are, I have no idea. And on the box it says Canro Pure Grape Gummy. I can't figure out how to open this thing. It's hard to open things while also talking. Oh, the thing inside isn't a triangle. I'm rather disappointed. It looks like, oh no, the most terrifying shape of all. It's terrifying. How am I going to live knowing what the shape is? A kidney! Dun, dun, dun. Or it could be a butt. Let's say it's a butt, because butts are funny. It smells like artificial grape. Who's gonna bet that it also tastes like artificial grape? Vote on your Gigabyte TV internet remotes now and interact with this episode in live. I feel like streaming a candy tasting wouldn't be a terrible idea, actually. Ooh, it's rather sour. And chewy. It's definitely not gelatin, but agar is usually more common for gummies in Japan. Because it's seaweed. So that's really sour. I'm gonna need a drink out of my creepy. Sorry. Obnoxiously drinking. So I would give the grape gummy a candy cane out of 10. Because it's not seasonally appropriate, it's not what you're expecting, but it's not awful. Next, I guess, is that even a squirrel or is it a chipmunk? No, it's a squirrel. It has a poofy tail. And there's a rabbit. We're trying this one, which says it is... I can't read it, but they made cute little letters out of, like, carrots and a spooky pumpkin and more carrots. But I do like squirrels. If I had a squirrel plush on me, it would probably be in this lineup. But squirrels can be scary too. Oop! There it goes. Yeah, it definitely looks like an Altoid. It doesn't smell like anything. I doubt they're pumpkin flavored. Ooh. What flavor is that? It feels like I just put a piece of chalk in my mouth. This isn't actually sidewalk chalk, is it? Oh no, there we go. No. I don't like that. It feels like weirdly like giving you a powdery coat on your mouth. So it's kind of like having, I guess, raw flour in your mouth that's like sticking to your palate and teeth. It doesn't taste like much, it just tastes like a little bit of artificial fruit. I'd give it a piece of broccoli in your Halloween candy. It's bad and disappointing. This one's probably pretty low on the bag tier list. I definitely need more water to wash that one out. It's very important to drink water as obnoxiously as possible on camera. Otherwise, you don't have any good sound effects to use for future reference. So next on our Halloween Spectacular, we have the Bourbon Cacao Cream. I like this one because there's a picture of a cat with a witch's hat and a pumpkin on it, which is kind of like Gigi here from Kiki's Delivery Service, and not like the E. coli plushie. It feels very sticky in there. I was kind of hoping it would be something you could just chew through. Ooh, it feels... Oh! Not what I expected! It felt so weird, and I think I broke it, just like my heart. Okay. I understand what this is now. It's wafers. It's like a Kit Kat, but surrounded by colored, brittle, maybe white chocolate? Can't really tell. It tastes fine, it doesn't taste like much. It tastes like vanilla flavoring. So if I had to rate it compared to something that you would find in your trick-or-treating experience, it would be candy corn. It's there, it's not unexpected, it's okay, and some people might like it. I cannot keep this Yoshi put down very long. It's very hard to do anything. But I'll do it for you, the viewer who really likes Yoshi. That might be me, actually. I like Yoshi. He's very happy. So I'm gonna save the hardest looking candy for last, because it'll take a while to analyze properly. So let's try the one I can't read anything about. I don't have anything interesting to say about it, except it's probably dairy-based. It looks like there's a cow on the label, and the only thing I recognize is UHA and 8.2 on the label. And it has a little creepy man on it. Oh, you know what? Maybe it's about like alien abduction candy. Because it has like a little alien man and cows abduct. Because cows abduct aliens. The tables have turned. Look out, aliens. The cows are coming for you. No. You know what I meant. Inside, it looks white. And a little bit of red. Let's get that on camera. I'm not sure, it's probably super washed out, but it looks like a hard candy with a little bit of a reddish filling, so I bet the most exciting thing to do is to watch someone suck on a hard candy to thrilling music, so let's do that. Come on, get that slow pan in going. Need something happening here. Put fire on the side. Something. Okay, now I'm going to try to review the candy while it's still in my mouth. You're getting a very exciting experience in this episode. It would be easier if I just tucked it into a cheek. That's what Yoshi would do, right? So it tastes like those milk kind of candies, like the filling of those... Are they Buckeyes or bullseyes. But you know what I mean, the ones that are like circle brown and then there's white in the middle. It tastes like that white in the middle. And I'm sure there's another candy that tastes like that. And I can't think of what it is. Do I like it more than the Cocoa Creme? Because they're both okay candies, they're just not my sort of thing. And I'm trying to think of a candy to compare it to that won't actually upset anyone. But it's like getting something that isn't chocolate in your Halloween basket. The best candies always have chocolate. That's why I don't tend to trust people who don't like chocolate. Now I'm gonna come up with a new analogy right here. A pack of gum. That's it. A pack of gum in your Halloween basket. It's okay, it's still candy. Some people may like it and make them happy. But not for me. I don't like chewing gum. I probably wouldn't go out and seek these in my day-to-day. But it's not quite as disappointing as candy corn. Why does that exist? Alright, back to my obnoxious drink. And now for the last one, which is unfortunately another piece of hard candy. I'm going to try to do this last segment without being able to see the camera, and it's going to distress me, because I like being able to see what I'm doing. So, let's try this innocuous, inconspicuous, green-looking, probably watermelon candy. Can't even find my mouth because it's blocking my eyes. Here we go. Ooh. Oh. Sorry, I know that flavor. I've had it before. Ah, what is it? Oh, doy. It's green tea. The green tea candy. Also perfect for Halloween. I'm sorry, I just like chocolate. I feel like with cakes I can do without chocolate. Pies don't need chocolate. But candy, it's not satisfying unless it's chocolate or something really good. But green tea flavored candy? I don't know what I'm talking about. The point is, this candy tastes like green tea. And since it's healthy, I'm going to say it's the equivalent of getting a granola bar in your Halloween basket. You're going to be disappointed, because a granola bar, while having the calories of a candy bar, is not nearly as delicious and not nearly as satisfying for your soul or for a Yoshi, which is what I am right now. Oh wait, it's getting soft now. I can chew it. Oh, ooh, that's really thick. That's super tough. Actually reminds me of when I had Botan rice candy. That kind of starting out super hard gel, turns soft rather quick. At least I can actually finish this one, because I should have done this one before the milk candy. So, there you have it. A review of 5 random candies I got from the Japanese market in a grab bag. I guess rating them in order. Ironically, I think the grape one was probably the most interesting and closest to traditional for me, followed by the milk hard candy, then the cocoa creme crunchy bar, then the green tea, and then these things, which of course are what I have the most of. I don't like them. They have the cutest packaging in the bunch, but they taste bad. Thank you for watching this last-minute Halloween experience. If you have any recommendations of odd things to try for the show, I'd be interested to hear them. And thank you very much for watching. Oh wait, I forgot. This is the best part. The cute little origami cat. That takes the #1 spot.